Recording, testing, microphone, 1, 2, 3. Yo guys, Hans here and welcome to Test It, where we test boot up speed, benchmark, and how noisy the laptop is. So right now, we are on power mode, and if you're interested to check the full review of this, you can check the link in the description box. So the laptop that we have here is the GS65 Stealth Thin 8RF from MSI. So right now, this is on battery mode. Okay, so first, let's test the boot up speed. Alright guys, so now we are going to test the boot up speed. I have my timer here, and this is on battery mode. So in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, and okay, so 15 seconds on Windows. Alright, boot up speed is 15 seconds. So right now we're at Cinebench, and the system that we have here, we have the Intel Core i7-8750 CPU. We have 6 cores, 12 threads at clock at 2.21 gigahertz. And for our video card, we have the GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design. So first, let's test the CPU. Well, let's just reset the timer here. It's not resetting. Okay, so it's now reset. Alright, now let's test the CPU performance and how fast it can render the whole preview here. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! So remember guys, this is on battery mode, so it's not plugged in on the wall. Okay, so now let's hear some sound if the fan is now spinning. Okay, so I can hear a little bit of the fan noise. Alright. Now I can hear the fan. For the heat, it's not. Okay, so I just feel a little bit of heat on this part here, guys. And we're done at 45 seconds. Alright. So the test for CPU was done at 45 seconds. Now the score for our CPU is 976. 976. Not bad. Remember, this is on on battery mode. So it's not plugged in on the wall. So here is the outlet here, guys. So it's not plugged in. Okay. Now let's test the GPU. So we are at the GPU right now. Let's test the OpenGL. Okay. So the GPU that we have here is the GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design. So let's do the run. So we don't need the timer here because we're just going to test how the system scores. Okay. So it's preparing. Okay, now it's loaded up. Let's see the performance here, guys. So remember, this is still on battery mode. So this is not plugged in, as you can see there, guys. Now you can hear if there is a fan noise. So as for now, it's quiet. On press, it's quiet, guys. Boom. Okay, so what's our result for GPU? Now our GPU is at 28.80. So the score of it's 28.80. Remember, this is on battery mode. So I'm going to restart this thing. I'm going to plug it, and we're going to test it on power mode. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to plug this laptop now. So we have our power plug here. Let's plug it on the side. So one note, guys, so I did a review on this. I just don't like that the power is over on the right hand here, and the HDMI also. I wish it was located on this side, on the left side. Okay, so now let's test this on power mode. So it's now plugged in. Power mode. Okay, so first, let's do the boot up speed now. Okay, just restart this. I'm having problems with this timer. Okay, right now, in 3, 2, 1, go. So it's supposed to be booting up much faster right now. Okay. Okay. Alright, in 13 seconds, guys. So, boot up time in 13 seconds. In 13 seconds. That's what. Okay, so, it's 2 seconds quicker than battery mode. Alright. So, 2 seconds quicker. Okay, now we're going to do the benchmark now. Alright, guys. So, now we are back at Cinebench. And we are on power mode, so meaning this is plugged in. We're going to test the CPU right now. So CPU. Okay, so the CPU that we have here is the Intel Core i7-8750 CPU. Cores, we have 6 cores, 12 threads, 2.21 gigahertz. Alright, now let's run it. First, let's reset our timer here. In 3, 2, 1, go. So remember, guys, this is now on power mode, so it's plugged in on the wall, so it's supposed to be much faster because it has all the power supporting it. Alright, now let's see if it would make any difference on battery mode. So right now, I'm not hearing any fans. That's weird. Okay. Okay. So wow, it's taking a while then battery mode, guys. So battery mode, it finished around 45 seconds. Right now the time is 42, 45 seconds. So it's taking a while. I'm not sure why is that. So remember, this is plugged in right now. Man, it's now 1 minute and 15 seconds, guys. Wow, it's taking a while. And I don't hear any fan noise. Weird. It's weird. Okay. We're approaching 2 minutes now. Weird. That's weird. It's supposed to be much more quicker. By battery mode, it's much more quicker. Now, we're at 2 minutes and 10 seconds, guys. It's still not complete. And we're done at 2 minutes at 24. 2 minutes at 24. And our score is 875. Man, the battery mode is much more quicker than it was plugged in. That's weird, MSI. That's the GPU. Now the GPU that we have here is the GTX from GeForce GTX 1070 with MaxQ design. So let's run it. Run it. So remember, this is plugged in. So it has, it's now on power mode. Let's see the score. Okay. So I don't hear any fans. There is no fan noise on battery mode. Oh, on power mode. But on battery mode, you can hear the fans. It's weird. And we're done. Okay, so the total score is GPU is around 31.47, guys. That's 31.47. Okay, so that's it for power mode. So the GPU is much more powerful or higher score than power mode. So the battery mode, it scored around 28.80, and on power mode it scored around 31.47. So yeah, that's the score of it. So it's a lot higher than battery mode. Okay, so this is my thoughts why it's not giving us the full potential from battery mode. It's much more faster on CPU tests on battery mode than power mode. So I'll be doing my investigation on that and why is it happening. So I'm going to go to Dragon Center now, and as you can see, guys, my settings here are on turbo, and I didn't even hear any sound noise of the fan on power mode. So that's kind of weird. And the performance is on turbo, guys. As you can see there, it's on turbo. So that's my test of the MSI GS65 Stealth Thin 8RF. So I wish MSI you shorter the name because it's kind of hard to pronounce it, okay? So again, guys, my name is Hans, and for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.